Yeah, definitely go check those guys out, man. Beautiful stuff over there. We got an update courtesy of the community sent us in just moments ago. These are tweets from about a half an hour ago on Elon's Twitter. Tesla is building a hardcore litigation department where we will directly initiate and execute lawsuits. The team will report directly to me. Please send 3 to 5 bullet points describing evidence of exceptional ability. Justice@tesla.com. You got to believe this is in some kind of response to these recent allegations. I mean, it's not just these recent allegations. There's also worker condition stuff that's been.
Yeah.
He's just saying more lawyers.
Yeah.
We're short on lawyers right now, and 3 to 5 bullet points describing evidence of exceptional ability. Forget your resume.
Just give me
3 to 5 bullet points as evidence of exceptional ability. I did this, I did that, I did that.
Yeah.
Whew!
That's it. That's all he needs.
And then he goes on to reply to his own tweet in order to say, my commitment. We will never seek victory in a just case against us, even if we will probably win. And next point, we will never surrender or settle an unjust case against us, even if we will probably lose.
Mm-hmm.
So essentially, I think what he's trying to say here, and it's got to have something to do with this recent conversation around paying money to sweep something under the rug, whatever it was, $250,000 or
right.
The thing he had on earlier that that there had been a case.
The flight was
it related to the flight attendant? Because then that person's not quiet anymore. But anyway, whatever. There was a remain quiet sum of money.
Yeah.
Which is, and I guess by saying this that will never happen, even if we're gonna lose, we won't settle an unjust case. In other words, suggesting that the time they did settle was unjust, but they settled for the wrong reasons, and it's new rules going forward. He might be trying to imply that. I'm not saying I know. Mm-hmm. I'm not saying I know, but he may be trying to imply that in the past, hey, I have settled unjust cases in order to avoid the legal consequences.
Right.
Which is
the backlash. And
like I said, is a pretty commonplace scenario or occurrence. And then also the first part, we will never seek victory in a just case against us. But that's a tougher one because then you're being accused of something, mm-hmm. and then you become the arbiter. You're deciding if it's just or not. And obviously, if you're being accused of something, then the other group making the accusation believes they are the just ones. This is how arguments occur.
Right.
So, but either way, I think it is some kind of a statement about their approach to legal endeavors going forward. Mm-hmm. We have a new update 4 minutes ago, live tweeting, live updates. Please include links to cases you have tried. That gets back to those 3 to 5 bullet points. What you done, sir?
Yeah.
What you done been doing?
Show me 3 to 5.
What are your 3 to 5 bullet points, Mo? that describe your evidence of exceptional ability? Yeah.
Thumbnails, my laughs on this show, and the financial advice I provide.
Wow. I thought you weren't an advisor, though.
I'm not.
Oh,
I just
baby.
provide something.
Oh, baby.
Elon was on like a Finance Time or some like live show mm-hmm. where he did a Q&A, and he was hinting at this where he was saying that like they expect a lot of lawsuits with the full self-driving. So that and he even in that was like, we're always going to do the right thing no matter.
Man. So how many lawyers just got hired? Are we talking a dozen or like 100? I have no idea.
You're right. I actually don't know.
How many lawyers do you need?
It might be a law firm.
You might be right, actually, because
kind of like Apple.
You buy a whole law firm?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
I don't
know. It looked like he's hiring, but you also have did he reply? Did you see the top tweet there from Chad Hurley? Hey, Elon Musk, stop horsing around and close this Twitter deal. We all want a happy ending. You see what he's doing there? No?
No. no.
Accusation, massage.
Oh.
I'll buy
Oh my
I'll buy
God.
you a horse.
Oh, right.
He's trying to be timely and make a joke about
Well, it went over my head, but
accusations. Co-founder YouTube, Chad Hurley. Shout out Chad Hurley. We're on YouTube right now, Mo. I don't know if you knew that. So
Alphabet.
a giant Ford-based Mega Bronc SUV. I saw your build today. I saw your build, gray hardtop. I saw it today.
Did you really?
Yep, I saw it. Maybe it was you. Maybe you've been lying this whole time.
You snag a pic?